Today marked the first day of the legislative session at the Indiana State House, and one bill might be grabbing your teen's attention. Tonight, our Griffin Gonzalez explains how some lawmakers are looking to limit Hoosier kids' access to social media.
Remember the excitement and joy when you turned 16, you could get one of these. I'm talking, of course, about a driver's license and you were able to cruise the roads freely. Well, if new legislation passes the State House, you might need to turn 16 just to log on to social media.
I think it's really difficult to understate the degree to which social media has gotten sort of a hold on our social lives, our culture, and even our politics.
The fact that social media itself is that in and of itself creating the mental health issues that we're having right now with a lot of our kids.
Senate Bill 11 requires social media companies like TikTok and Instagram to restrict any Hoosier under the age of 16 from using the apps without first getting permission from a parent.
If you feel your child is mature enough and you feel like you want to supervise them enough, then you simply give them access to do that.
77% of high school students say they use social media daily. Data suggests those who spend 3 hours a day or more on social platforms double the risk of mental health problems.
In my research, we look at these social networks interact with people's language, their thinking, their social environment, etc.
Johan Bolin is a professor of informatics and cognitive science at Indiana University. He says social media is addictive by nature.
We're so obsessed with it because it feeds into a very basic human need, namely the need for connection. We need social connections to thrive.
Bolin says, like anything else, social media can be a positive thing when it's used in moderation.
I think it would be wise to limit social media use to the greatest degree possible.
If the bill is passed, children under the age of 16 would still have access to social platforms if they receive verifiable parental permission. The bill would go into effect in July. Reporting in Indianapolis, Griffin Gonzalez, WRTV.
Indiana Democrats and Republicans laid out other legislative priorities today. Republicans in the Senate have a major focus on property tax reform. They haven't shared details on how they will reform property taxes, but say some proposed changes could force local units of government to increase income taxes. House Democrats have a focus on funding education, and they are vowing to fight House Bill 1136. It would disband school districts that don't meet certain attendance requirements and could impact Indianapolis public schools.
We still have just shy of $5.1 billion in local income tax capacity to help fill that gap. And so the well is not dry, but it will be something that the locals will have to make a decision on themselves.
We need to make sure that we are holding charters just as accountable and responsible as our traditional schools. But we cannot adequately educate our kids if we continue to change the goalposts.
House Republicans say they plan to release their priorities on Tuesday of next week. This is a long session since lawmakers will be crafting a budget for the next 2 years.